very fortunate here at the college to have a racing unit where the students can experience the thrill of going racing and also look after thoroughbred horses on a daily basis in a safe manner.
We would work here to develop your riding skills using the simulators that we have here and the older schoolmaster horses that we have here in a controlled environment to then ride out on the gallops, riding steady work, riding faster work, and possibly going on to jump as well.
I love a bit of speed and I love a bit of an adrenaline rush. Also, the thoroughbred industry here in Ireland is top class. We're an absolute world beater for such a small country, and I think it's just for the future. It's going to have such a big impact on the country. So yeah, it's good to get your foot in the door.
We are a real running racing yard. I do feel that this racing yard that we have here and all the facilities that we have here do provide students with a really good base of knowledge that bridges the gap between leaving college or university and going into a working environment.